7 healthy habits. Sama-sama sa wellness. Tara! Sama-sama sa wellness.
Mga buhay! Welcome to Batangas City Integrated High School.
Sarap sustansya competition. I am Zaret,
Althea and Zyril.
and today we will showcase our testimony about the Maggi Sarap Sustansya video. Althea,
Marami pa rin sa atin ang nahihirapan. Paano nga ba mas papasarapin at pasusustansyahin ang ating pagkain? Narito ang tatlo natin dapat tandaan. Moderation, variety, and balance. Makakatulong ito para sa ating kaalaman at kalusugan. Zyril, sa pagluluto ng ating pagkain, hindi lamang dapat ito maging masarap, kung hindi dapat ito ay maging masustansya. Sa Hydrate, narito ang Glow, Grow, and Go Food na makakatulong upang maging masustansya ang ating pagkain na mabuti para sa ating katawan. Zaret,
creating a healthy and valuable plate is important in our daily lives. We need something that is healthy and tasty at the same time. We need to balance our Go, Grow, and Glow foods. Don't forget the dessert that will be the cherry on top in your everyday meal.
mabuhay! Welcome to our Gulayan!
Where we will be picking out fresh foods like kamatis, malunggay, sitaw, and many other more. Tara na! Pamilya natapos na sa pangunguha ng aming mga gulay.
Narito na ang mga gulay na kailangan namin para sa aming pamilya. Tara na, simulan na natin ang preparasyon sa pagluluto. Tapos na kayo! Halina't samahan niyo kami sa pagluluto ng patnapa, bet na bet, ang alae pamper.
Our pakbet alae dish is not only delicious but also nutritious, as it has variety of vegetables such as kalabasa, sitaw, talong, ampalaya, and okra. To make the dish savory, we added Nestle Maggi Magic Sarap to boost its flavor and taste.
I'm excited to share a delightful dessert that celebrates the vibrant flavors of fresh fruit. Imagine juicy apples, sweet bananas, zesty oranges, plump grapes, and tropical pineapple, all beautifully arranged on a platter. To elevate this fruity feast, we'll create a luscious dipping sauce using Nestle cream and condensed milk, blending creaminess and a touch of sweetness. This simple yet indulgent treat is perfect for any occasion, inviting everyone to savor each delicious bite. Let's dive in and enjoy this fruity delight together.
Let's refresh our spirits with a simple yet revitalizing drink. Lemon water is the perfect thirst quencher, balancing hydration with a burst of citrus flavor. Let's also savor the delight combination of alae pakbet, fresh fish, and rice. This traditional meal celebrates the richness of our culinary heritage, bringing together vibrant vegetables and flavors that nourish both body and soul. So, let's rise and glasses to good food, good company, and the joy of sharing a meal together.
Sama-sama sa wellness.